Hi everyone, it's Anja from Cooking with Plants and welcome back to my kitchen for another delicious recipe. So today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy snack for cinnamon donut energy balls. These are quick and easy to make and they're great to have on hand when you get afternoon munchies, when you want a little bit something sweet after you've had your dinner, all those types of scenarios when you just want a little treat to keep you going, or if you're feeling a little bit hungry throughout the day. This is a very quick snack that you can keep on hand either in your fridge or your freezer, and then just grab one out when you need that little pick-me-up. So to get started, I'm going to add some dry ingredients into this bowl here, and I'm going to start off with some almond meal. Then I'm going to add in some sweetener, and for this I'm using monk fruit sweetener, so a couple of teaspoons of monk fruit sweetener. If you don't want to use sweetener, just leave it out, or you could even use something like stevia powder or whatever sweetener that you like to use in your cooking. And these are cinnamon donut energy balls, so we've got some cinnamon going in, so I'm using 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And I'm also putting in some maca powder. So maca powder is a dried root and it's ground up into a powder. It's full of nutrition. It even has very high iron, and it's great for energy, balancing hormones, and it will even increase your libido. There are all the dry ingredients. I'm just going to give these a quick mix through just to make sure there's no lumps in here and that everything is really well mixed together. So now that this is all really well mixed together, I'm going to add the wet ingredients. And first up, I'm adding a tablespoon of coconut water, but you could use regular water if you want to, but I just like that extra little bit of sweetness and that nice flavor that the coconut water gives this. Okay, so adding that in, and then I'm going to add a couple of teaspoons of vanilla extract. And finally, I've got some almond butter going in as well. So all the measurements for this will be below, so check the description below for the link to the recipe. Okay, so now it's time to combine this. I find it's actually best to use your fingers for this and turn it into a big dough ball, and then you can just portion it off. I make about 10 little balls out of this and then have 1 or 2 for my snack when I need it. Okay, so I am going to start using my fingers. Just make sure that all those dry parts are well mixed into the dough. Just knead it a little bit just to combine everything really, really well. And then these are ready to shape. So keep going until all the mixture is used up. Okay, so I'm just going to give this a little taste test before I roll all these balls. That is such an amazing combination. It really tastes like cinnamon donuts. And this is just a fantastic snack to keep in the fridge, have on hand. Have 1 or 2 of these balls when you feel like you need a little snack. It will give you so much energy, so quick and easy to make, and really, really tasty. So like I said, I've left a link to this recipe, the written recipe, below in the description. And I'd love for you to come and join me over in my Facebook group and share your recipe ideas. Add some extra things into this. Even some goji berries would be amazing in this too. So show me your photos, tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see what things you make and how you serve these when you like to eat them. And I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Bye for now.